So this is supposed to be a really sort of unedited video in a way, um, like a live reaction of this keyboard, but more specifically the Topre switch, because I've never used the Topre switch. The switches that are on there on my regular keyboard are um, Glorious Pandas lubed, and then I actually have a bag of lavenders, Durock lavenders right here. So I'm very into the MX style switches, mechanical switches, and not really so much in the Topre switches. But that's what I wanted to change. So I bought this keyboard for 240 euros off of mykeyboard.eu. Got here in a couple of days. Amazing. So yeah, let's look at the box first. So we have PPT keycaps. That's nice. And Windows 10 compatible. Unfortunate because I use Linux. Electrostatic capacitive. I guess that's Topre. Back of the board isn't much different. I guess this is what it looks like. And then here we have sort of a feature list, which I guess is pretty common. Made in Japan, designed by Leopold, manufactured by Topre, which is nice. And I guess Leopold is a Korean company, which is odd because Leopold doesn't really strike me as a Korean name. I think for the history buffs among us, Leopold was the name of the first and second Belgian king. But yeah, we don't talk about the second one. Let's open it up. Straight off the bat, very minimalistic packaging, which I don't mind. I don't want to type on it yet. I just want to get it out of the box first. Okay, so relatively heavy, solid construction, I'd say. And oh, we have dip switches here, which is nice. Yeah, I guess no real flex or anything. Just feels like it's all plastic, I think, but it's good plastic. Like it doesn't feel particularly cheap. We have instruction manual, whatever this means, in a bunch of languages. And then the cable, which is micro, which is kind of sad, but look, it's a cable. I guess it doesn't really matter that much. Let's get this box out of the way. All right, so this is supposed to be the creme de la creme of keyboards. Okay, that feels okay. Let's go to monkey type, see if I can type some words. It's kind of difficult to see. Oh my, that's really smooth. Oh wow. Yeah, that's really nice. I know you can't really hear it, but I just want to record my reaction first. Okay, yeah, I can feel why people are excited about this. It's weird. It kind of feels tactile. Not clicky, very tactile, but in a really smooth way. I don't think you have a stem in this. So it's a very different feeling. Wait, okay, well, I'm not gonna finish this run anyways. Yeah, but it's wow. It's weird. It's weird, but in a good way. It feels very, very smooth. Is all I can say. Ooh, yeah, this is great. Oh my god, I like this a lot. It's like it's a very, you can feel that it's like rubber dome, I guess, in a way, but in a good way, if that makes sense. So you have like those old Dell keyboards or like Toshiba keyboards, like the very old like library keyboards, right? It feels like those, but better. If that even makes sense. I'm not sure if it does, honestly, but it's I like it a lot. Actually, let me do a sound test. Hold up. Okay, so I have my mic set up over there. Let me do 50 words. Well, 121 words per minute. That's the fastest I've ever gone. Okay, that's not bad. Well, I'm probably gonna make another video with typing sounds, like a little bit longer, because I have to do work actually. I am very happy with this. I low-key prepared to be disappointed in a way that I got like duped out of 240 euros for a membrane keyboard, but this is nice. This is really nice. Yeah, this is I'm gonna love this. This is good stuff. Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye.